The government on the island, together with Aruba Airport Authority, has been placing a tremendous amount of focus on implementing pre-clearance systems. Recently, the private aviation inaugurated the U.S. Custom and Border Patrol. The next step is to have a European pre-clearance at Reina Beatrix. Prime Minister Mike Amon reassured that having pre-clearance systems on the island does not make it any less secure. Clearing customs and immigration in Aruba first, rather than in the U.S., simply makes it more convenient for travelers. In no way is the procedure done on the island less secure.
Not that the inspection is less of the immigration or the custom officers for entering the United States, but the fact that you are placing it in Aruba gives also an important statement of confidence, because part of the security is also based on the treaty on the responsibility of Aruba, like policing the whole area is a very important responsibility based on the pre-clearance treaty that Aruba has to uphold, and that naturally is a very important part of the cooperation between Aruba and the United States.
With Aruba having such great success with the United States on pre-clearance systems, the Prime Minister is hoping this will give European officials more of an incentive to approve allowing an EU pre-clearance facility in Aruba's Reina Beatrix Airport.
The fact that we have this model operating in Aruba also has made it possible for us to make the argument towards the Dutch that we could also introduce such a facility in Aruba for passengers going to the EU. And we are now in the process of negotiating with the Netherlands and the EU the creation of a EU pre-clearance facility in Aruba.
Prime Minister Mike Amon informs that come May, a very important meeting is scheduled between the Prime Minister as well as the President of KLM, the President of Schiphol, and an officer from Customs and Immigration of EU, and they will of course be discussing the possibility of having a pre-clearance European right here in Aruba.